If you're looking to decide which of these two heavyweights is better for your needs, you're in the right place. Whether you're all about premium features or you need a VPN that excels at spoofing locations worldwide, I've got the full comparison for you. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal which VPN I personally recommend for the goal of ultimate location flexibility and global spoofing. Let's kick things off with premium features. When it comes to offering a comprehensive set of tools, NordVPN does a stellar job. It's packed with extras like double encryption, onion over VPN, and its unique meshnet technology that lets you create a secure network with your devices. On the other hand, ExpressVPN isn't quite as feature-loaded, but it focuses heavily on performance, which might be what you care about more if you're looking for seamless streaming or browsing. That said, NordVPN still edges ahead for those who like to tinker with advanced security features. Now, next thing, when it comes to performance, ExpressVPN has an undeniable lead. Their servers are known for being faster, and this is crucial when you're looking to spoof locations. Whether you're in a remote part of the world or just need smooth access to global content, ExpressVPN rarely stutters. NordVPN, while fast in many regions, does face occasional slowdowns during peak hours. So, if speed is your priority, ExpressVPN is hard to beat. The third thing is security. Both VPNs are solid, but they differ in their approach. NordVPN offers a more feature-rich security suite with options like CyberSEC to block ads and malware, along with their proprietary NordLynx protocol, which boosts speed without sacrificing security. ExpressVPN, on the other hand, has a great no-logs policy, but its security features are more streamlined. The simplicity can be a benefit if you want to set it and forget it VPN without too many options to configure. Next, let's talk about global location spoofing. For many users, the goal of using a VPN is to appear in a different location. And while both NordVPN and ExpressVPN offer solid global server networks, NordVPN excels with its broader range of server locations and its ability to unblock geo-restricted content in countries with heavy censorship. ExpressVPN is still impressive, but often gets outshone when you need servers in specific regions like Asia or Eastern Europe. If location spoofing is your thing, NordVPN provides more options. The fifth thing I want to cover is pricing. ExpressVPN tends to be more expensive than NordVPN, and while it offers an excellent product, the value may not be there for everyone, especially if you don't need that extra performance boost. NordVPN gives you more bang for your buck, especially if you want those extra premium features without the premium price tag. Now, here's the thing, both of these VPNs are great, but if your main goal is to spoof locations around the world with the best possible flexibility, I'd recommend considering a better alternative. After trying both NordVPN and ExpressVPN, I found something that truly stands out for that specific purpose. If you want to get the best VPN for global location spoofing, you can take advantage of the free trial offered through the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Trust me, you won't regret it.